So welcome back class 6, and today in the fifth video we are going to solve the rest of the parts of exercise 6.1 question number 1, that are question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. So let's see question number 1. It says a machine on an average manufactures 2825 screws a day. The question is saying there is a machine which manufactures, means which prepares 2825 screw in one day. Now the question is, how many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? It is asking about month of January. The question is talking about a month, and generally what we take that. So for getting the answer, we should know that how many months are there in the month of how many days are there in the month of January. And as you all know very well, January consists of 31 days. So here we have given machine, or let us write number of screws, number of screws manufactured in a day. A day means one day. In a day is given by, that is 2825. Now I have to do calculation for 1 month. 1 month means 30 days. This is the number of screw for one day, and I have to calculate it for 30 days. Now tell me, think yourself, the answer should be less or more? The answer should be less than this or more than this? Yes, correct. The answer should be more, because if in one day a machine manufactures 2000 something, then in 30 days it will be more than 2000 something. And whenever your mind says that the answer should be more, you just have to go with the operation of multiplication. Understood? So number of screws manufactured in January 2006 is given by number of days in January, that are 31 multiplied by 2825. The calculation you will do yourself, and here you will find out your answer. Understood? Okay, pause the video and note it down. Let's see question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. Okay, this is the total amount. Total amount which a merchant had is equals to 78,592. Understood? Okay. Now next statement is, she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. Each means the cost of one radio set is 1,200. So let us write cost of one radio set is equals to 1,200 rupees. Okay, and she placed an order of 40 radio set. So cost of 40 radio sets is equals to 40 into cost of one radio set. This will be 12 4 times 48, and after that 3 zeros. Understood? So the cost of 40 radio set is rupees 48,000. Now what we have to do, suppose I am going to buy this, so I will have to spend 48,000 rupees, and what I total have 78,592. So what I will remain with, I will subtract the money which I have spent from the total money which I had. Understood? So the question was asking how much money will remain with her after the purchase. So money remain with her after the purchase. Look here, most of the language which I am writing I have stolen from the questioning part. Same thing you have to do in mathematics. Just try to grasp, just try to find out the language from the question part. Understood? Okay, so money remained with her after the purchase is given by difference of 78,592 minus 48,000. Now after subtracting you will get your answer. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Now let's see next question, that is question number 8. It is also a logical question. What the question is saying? It is saying a student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Instead means he had to multiply 7,236 by 56, but by mistake or by anyhow he had multiplied it by 65. Most of the students commit this kind of mistake, like teacher is saying 56 and they are writing 65. So same case is here. Now the question is asking by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. Okay, let's see what should be the correct answer. The correct answer can be found only by multiplying 7,236 by 65. The correct answer is found by multiplying 7,236 by 56. And what is the answer which he calculated? He has calculated the answer by multiplying 7,236 with 65. So what we have to do? We will find the multiplication of in both the cases. Okay, so multiplication, or we can write here product. Product means the result after multiplying any two number. Product of, what is that, 7,236 and by mistake he multiplied it by 65 is given by 7,236 multiplied by 65. Whatever will come, you will find your answer. Okay, now next, product of 7,236 and the actual digit which he had to multiply, it was 56. That will be given by 7,236 multiplied by 56. Now again by calculation you will find out your answer. So the question was asking by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer. This was the correct answer. This should have been the correct answer. So answer was greater by correct answer was greater from correct answer by, what you will do, you will find the difference of the digit which you will get here from and this digit. Understood? Like something is coming here, so what you will do, you will subtract them. Understood? And this will be your answer. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now let's see question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Suppose I have to make one shirt. It will be look like, I don't know how it will look like. This is a shirt and it's need 10 centimeter cloth. This, for example, it is for our toy, for our Barbie or whatever you say. And I have total let's say 65 centimeter cloth. Okay, so how many shirts each of measurement 10 centimeter can be stitched from a total of cloth 65 centimeter? This kind of question is this which we are going to solve. Now think about yourself what you will do. Simply what a tailor will do, he will divide this 65 centimeter in equal parts of 10 centimeter. So this will be 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40, 10, 50, 10, 60, like this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60, and here it will remain with 5 centimeter. Understood? So basically, which operation of mathematics we are using here? We are dividing 65 centimeter in 10 centimeter parts. So let's see what we are doing. Simply, we are dividing 65 by 10. This will be 10 6 times 65. Remainder is 5. So what were our answers? 6 shirts can be stitched and a cloth of 5 centimeter will be remain. Understood? So same thing we are going to do here, but one more problem is here, that all the measurement are not in the same unit. Somewhere it is in meter and also centimeter, and in the total cloth is given in meter. So what we will do, we will go by with a smaller unit, that is centimeter. And for that you must know about how many centimeters makes 1 meter, and the answer is 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So let us start writing. That is cloth needed to stitch, cloth needed to stitch a shirt is that is 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Yes, 15 centimeter. So let us convert it here. As you know, this can be written as 2 meter plus 15 centimeter, and 2 meter, this meter can be converted into 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So this will be 200 plus 15 centimeter. So it will be 215 centimeter. Understood? Okay, we have converted the measurement of a cloth which is needed to stitch only one shirt totally in centimeter. What is second thing? Second thing is, how many out of 40 meter cloth, total cloth available is 40 meter. Okay, 40 meter. If this is in centimeter, so it should also be in centimeter, otherwise we cannot perform any kind of operation. So this will be 40, and in the place of 1 meter I will write 100 centimeter. So this will be 4000 centimeter. Now you know it very well. What you have to do, you have to divide 4000 centimeter by 215 centimeter. So let us do our working here. So 215 is 4000 is being divided by 215. Let's see, here it has 3 digit. First we will compare. It's 3 digit. The 3 digits of divisor are 215 and dividend is 400. That is greater. So we will start by dividing. How you will guess idea? For guessing, first see the greatest digit of the divisor, that is 2. Now think in your mind, what will comes 2 times 1? That will 200. This is 200. What will comes 2 times? That will be 400, and 15 times 2 will become 430. So 2 times will be larger than 400. So we will go by 1 time. So this will be 215. Now what we will do? As usual, subtraction. Here I will carry 1. This will become 10. So it will 5. 9 minus 1, 8. And this will, we have taken carry. So it will be 1. Understood what it will be? So here we have performed the division. As you can see, the quotient is 18, and I have told you the quotient will tell us how many shirts we can stitch, and the remainder will tell you that this much length of cloth will be remain. So let us write. So 18 shirts can be stitched, and 130, what was the unit we were using? Centimeter, or we can write it as 100 plus 30. 100 can be written as 1 meter, and 30 as it is 30 centimeter cloth will remain unstitched. Will remain unstitched. Understood? So this pause the video and note it down. Now let's see question number 10. It is saying medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. Suppose this is a box in which I have to pack the medicines, and each weighing, that is 4 kg 500 gram. If we will convert, this will come to 4 kg will become 4500 gram. Okay, now let's see what it is saying. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? It means if you will keep more than 800 kg, then the van will not be able to carry that load. Okay, so suppose this is a van. So it cannot carry more than 800 kg. Or let us convert, so this will be 8 lakh grams. Okay. So again the same thing is, we have to check whether how many 4500 grams can be divided, how many parts, in how many parts 8 lakh can be divided, each with 4500 gram. So simply what you will do, first you will write down the language that the weight of a medicine box is 4 kg 500 gram. Then you will write it as 4500 gram. Then next you will write maximum weight which a van can carry is given by 800 kg, and then in next line you will convert it in gram, and that will be 8 lakh gram. Okay, then in next line what you will do, first you will divide, and if you will divide, you will find out here. This question is same as stitching the shirt, 177. So this will be our answer. Something will remain here, but we are not asked that how much more weight we can carry. So the answer will be 177 boxes of medicine can be carried. Understood? Just I am taking these questions lightly because this first chapter is based on revision, and you must have done lots of this kind of question in your previous class. Okay, so I hope so that successfully you all will solve this part. Now let's see question number 11. It says the distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Let's say this is the house of a student, this is school. This distance is given 1 kilometer 875 meter. Again in the question the units are different. Let us convert this in the same unit. So what will be better? So let's go with the smaller unit. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, and 1000 meter plus 875 will become 1875 meters. So this is the distance between home and school. You do not need to make this kind of figure. I am just drawing it to make you understand. You will solve yourself. Now next question is, every day she walks both ways. Every day she walks both ways means he started from both ways, means he started from his home and reaches to school, and he covers 1875, and when he gets back both way means if he is going to school, she will come back to her home. Okay, so again in going she covers 1875 centimeter, in coming back she again covered 1875 meter. So total distance covered in one day will be 2 times of 1875 meter. Understood? This is the distance covered in one day by going both ways. Now the question is asking total distance covered by her in 6 days. Now tell me, if in one day it covers 2 times of 1875, what your mind says, in 6 days it will be more or less? Very good, more. So what we will do, we will multiply. What we will multiply? We will multiply the distance covered in one day by 6 to get the answer, total distance covered in 6 days. Understood? So you will solve yourself. Okay, now let's see. And also remember, in every part you have to write the language also, and from where you will steal the language from questioning part, and if required some words you can use yourself. Now let's see question number 12. A vessel means container, bartan, has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. Very good. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? This question is just like as stretching the shirt. This is the container or vessel. It contains 4 liter and 500 milliliter. If we will convert, that will become 4500 milliliter, because 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay, now you have to divide this total 4500 ml in glasses of 25 ml. So this is same question. So what you will do, you will divide this 4500 by 25 and you will find out your answer. Understood? Okay, so now the questions which I have left only for writing, I have made you understood. What you have to do, you have to solve all these questions with writing a proper language, and then you will send me your answers. That's how we have solved these questions. And then from the next video we are going to learn something new, that is estimation. The next video I will make you understand first that why we need estimation and what is estimation, what are the rules for estimation, and then we will be solving the next exercises. Okay. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day. And if you haven't subscribed so far my channel, please do it, subscribe. If you are finding my videos helpful, hit the like button and also share it with all the needy students who are not able to study just because of this lockdown. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day and Jai Hind.